Hello, and welcome to ZachDenner.com's series on networking. This series will explain the common aspects of Packet Tracer. I will show you how to download Packet Tracer and sign up for the Cisco Academy. Netacad.com is Cisco's arm of training network professionals using Packet Tracer in most of its courses. Packet Tracer is an incredibly powerful program that gives you access to nearly every networking device Cisco offers. You could go an alternate route and pick up some networking devices and wire them up and learn as you go with your own personal lab. But what you'll find is that there's a lot of networking devices and you won't know right away what device you need for your purpose. So before you pay hundreds of dollars for networking equipment, why not just join Cisco Academy and try out the devices first in their virtual lab? Packet Tracer simulates every level of a network, including the nitty-gritty iOS, Cisco's operating system for its devices. You can do nearly anything in Packet Tracer that you can do with real equipment. In this video, I will explain how to join the Cisco Academy and download Packet Tracer. Packet Tracer is not easy to find. You do have to join the Cisco Academy and enroll in a course to get the download. So I'll show you how to do that now. So as you can see here, I just did a Google search for how to download Packet Tracer, and with most tools, they're just on a download page. But this is a little bit trickier. Here's the Cisco Packet Tracer program course that I definitely recommend you just do the whole thing. It's not long. I think it's 10 hours of content. But let's go ahead and we're at the Cisco Packet Tracer site and we're going to hit Learn More. And it'll give you, see, it's 10 hours, it's free, it's a beginner course, you get a badge. So we'll definitely want to sign up today. And this button doesn't actually do anything. You actually have to go down and hit English here. Okay, so I filled out the necessary information and I will now click submit. And now it wants me to create an account. Okay, so I filled out the create account sign up form and I will register. Okay, and now I'm logged in, and go ahead and fill out this information as well. Okay, and this is a new account, so there's not going to be all my other courses there. But yeah, we should go ahead and hit launch course. And you can go through this tour if you want. I'm not going to go through it. But we are now in Cisco Networking Academy. We can go to resources, download Packet Tracer, and we'll go right here. Depending on what computer you have, choose your download. Mine's Windows and it's a 64-bit system. Okay, the download has finished, and go ahead and click it and accept the agreement. This is where you're going to choose where to install it, what to call it. You can create a desktop shortcut or not, and then you click install. I'm not going to do that. I already have it installed, so I'll just go ahead and click cancel. And now we'll boot up Packet Tracer, and there we go. And this is another important part. To use Packet Tracer, you will have to log in with your Netacad Cisco Academy email and password. And now we are logged in and we got Packet Tracer. And the next videos I'll go over the user interface, some of the devices that we'll be using. As you can see here, there's just about every device. I haven't been able to not find a device. They're all here, and they're just by their serial numbers, which if you get really into networking, you'll definitely memorize these, or at least they'll just be familiar. Let's see, you can see here, here's some routers, switches, hubs, all sorts of devices. So there really is no need to just go out and buy networking equipment and wire it up and learn as you go, because who knows, you might get the wrong device, but every device is here. Alright, so this will be a series of videos going over Packet Tracer, and from here on out we're going to be building all our networks with Packet Tracer. So stay tuned, we will have another video out soon.